Hello guys. Hello everyone. Sorry I'm late. Hello guys. Hello. Sorry I'm late, okay? Can you hear me Can you hear me well? Okay. So today I'm going to be showing you the Ein-Sten minigun. I just added it this week. I also added the login system. That's the reason I'm a little late today, because the website was being a little slow on the responses. So anyway, let me do some customization here. Hello, Ballistic. Alright, let's get some nice dark hair. Like that. And now let's just put some yellow over here. This is my second stream. Alright. Let's get in. So, here is the Ein-Sten minigun. Isn't she beautiful? Yes, I really like programming the game, Fazine Jadego. Look at that spin up. There's also a muzzle flash right there, and it's shooting lots of projectiles, rapid fire. Thanks, Harrison Austin. Harrison Austin says, these graphics are sick. You are dead if this is real. What? Okay, let me show you a couple things that it does. So, first of all, look at how it makes, it kicks up the sand when it hits the floor. When it hits the ground, it kicks up the sand and makes the sand sound. There's no craters because I haven't implemented decals yet. Yeah, yes, HB. That's something that I have to fix. It's because of how I networked the server and like the shooting. It has to be synchronized so that when the client shoots, the server shoots, and the bullets come out from the same place, essentially. Okay, now let me show you how it sounds when it hits metal. Fazine Jagdeo says, when are you going to add nukes? Well, there's a nuke right here. It's the hand nuke. It just doesn't blow up yet. I'm going to be doing that for 27,000 subscribers. So let's shoot at some of this stuff over here. What do you think about those effects? Shimmering Blaze says, that is cool. Thanks. Okay, so now let's shoot at the Corsairs. These Corsairs are weaker than usual because I just like explosions, so the regen and the shields are not enabled either because they're not implemented, but they're gonna be stronger in the game. So anyway, let's shoot at them. Something's wrong. For some reason. What's going on? Okay, I'm gonna try putting the gun down and pick it up again. Sorry guys, something weird is happening. Oh, there we go, okay. Yeah, I just have to pick it up. Put it down and pick it up again. The thing next to the two plasma cannons over here, that's the shaper. It's like the one I have on my back. Nope, not a rocket launcher. HB is asking what the thing next to the two plasma cannons is. That's a shaper. It's like the one I have on my back. I can put this on my rack, and it gets on my rack, and yep. Let me also show you that you can dual wield. You can pick up a plasma cannon and a module, and it's completely modular, the system. Let me get back to the Ein-Sten. Guys, I'm gonna try reconnecting because something's weird with the networking. I'm not sure what's going on. Actually, I'm gonna try getting into the ship and back out. Maybe that fixes it. Let's see if we're good now. Oh yay, okay. Yes, that fixed it. I was fixing bugs up to the last second, and I think I missed something, and that's why it's being weird. I'm sorry about that. Fazina Jagdeo is asking, is the game released yet? No, it is not released. As you can see, there are still many bugs. Simon is asking me to plasma jump. I can't do that at the moment, but it will be possible in the game. I can shoot the plasma cannon if you want to see that. Kozmiske Waffler is asking if I can tell the origins of Tyranika. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm working on the cutscene, which is going to explain all of that and how this was formed and the lore of the game. So I also made the Ein cannon modulate the pitch based on what it hits. So if you notice, when I hit something that is smaller, it sounds higher pitched than when I hit something that is larger. Like here, over here, it should be low pitched, and here it's also low pitched. But when I hit over here, the Ein-Sten, the Ein fire, it should be more high pitched. Searching Man says, "Take your time with the game." Thanks, Searching Man. Yeah, I need quite a bit of time to fix all of these bugs. All right, let's walk the nuke some over here. Just call me Cosmic Waffles. Ah. Yeah, that makes more sense. Thanks. Yeah, all the sounds and all the effects are... Thanks, Searching Man. He says really nice sounds. All the sounds and all the graphics are made by me. They're all original sounds. Yes, the bomb is ticking. Where'd it go? Here it is. You can hear it. Click, clack. Harrison Austin asks, will you add a single player mode? No, there will be a training area at some point, but it's also going to be multiplayer. The only really single player scene is the player customization scene, the Skyclone. But I mean, you can't like the whole game is multiplayer. It's supposed to be an MMO. All right, let's build a bit. As you can see, I fixed the shaper pose. Now it's holding it properly. It's color coded with the suit matches the shaper. What do you think about that muzzle flash? Shenrarn Animations asks if there will be a Tachyon nuke in the game. I'm not sure. Probably not, because it's like not physically accurate at all. Like it's kind of impossible. I just did it for fun, really, in the mod. Dudes, remember to like the channel, subscribe, okay? Subscribe, like the channel, and like, yeah. Also subscribe to my second channel. I have another channel where I go more in depth with all the technical explanations and everything. So. If you noticed, the ship falls apart. I mean, it should fall more. Oh, there we go. Yes, yes. Okay. For some reason it wasn't working earlier, but now I can break these. Excellent. All right. So if you notice, the ship is falling apart when I hit the weapons, they break into all of their modular components. You can see here the accelerators, the ammo matrix, and the shell of the weapon. So this is all because the game is made in a modular way. That means you can mix and match pieces of different weapons and make your own weapons. It also at the same time lets the destruction system be very realistic. Things fall apart and break nicely. They shatter into pieces. See, look at that. They break into their constituent parts. Yes, the pieces dent, but their colliders are not affected. As you can see, the ship got a little darker there. There we go. That's some excellent construction. Die during this demo. I don't have death implemented yet, so yeah, it is a lot of damage. HB says that's a lot of damage, indeed. HB asks, do any of the pieces dent like soft body physics? Yes, they do dent, but the colliders are not affected. As you can see, the Corsaire gets darker and like sometimes it dents, but the dents are reserved more for like impacts against objects, not like thermal damage that lasers cause. Oh, would you look at that? I'm out of battery. I spent all of the battery. Okay, let me go pick up another Ein-Sten, sorry. I don't have another one. Hold on. Let me spawn one. Oops. Spawn. What? Okay. Okay. There we go. I just gave myself another Ein-Sten because the other one ran out of battery. I have the battery set to a very high value because I don't have reloading implemented yet. So. No, Searching Man says recharge. I can't recharge yet. I don't have that implemented. But it will be possible to swap out batteries and or put your Ein-Sten on the rack like this, and the rack will recharge it with the micro RIT tag that's over here. You can see. HB Mods asks, could you crash a ship into the wall? Yes, you can. Well, I mean, right now I can't because I smashed both of my ships. So I guess I can't fly those. Simon says, please crash the ship. The ships are smashed. I cannot fly them. Oh, I can spawn in I can spawn in a ship to fly. Corsaire. All right, there we go. What do you think about that spawning in? It's a little bit interesting the way it gets spawned in. Anyway. You guys love the ship flying, don't you? That's all you want to see here. Alright, so you were asking me to crash the ship. It's not going to blow up, because the... Well, actually, I'm not sure. I haven't tested this. Maybe it does blow up. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, no. So, the ships are... The ships are sensitive to thermal damage, so the Ein-Sten does damage to them, but as of right now, they are not taking much impact damage. Hackrek Grot asks, can you build vehicles? Yes, you can build vehicles. That's going to be a major component of the gameplay. You're going to be able to mix and match pieces on the vehicle the same way that you can mix and match on your weapons. You're going to be able to swap the seats, swap the weapons, upgrade the weapons, change the armament over here. You can have pods instead of nukes to transport materials and other things. You can upgrade the engines, the DMD, and it's all modular. Like you can basically change everything. And you can also even change the materials of which the ship is made out of. You can change the hull, the electronics, like you can, it's all gonna be there. It's gonna be really good. Bumblebee fan asks, can you have space bases? You will have a hangar. It's technically in space, but not really. I'll get into it in the lore of the game when I should close my cockpit right here. Flying with an open cockpit, that's not very good. But yes, you will have a hangar, or yeah, and you will have your ship in the hangar, and yep. The Great and Mighty Spence asks, are there tracking missiles? Right now there are none. HBM Mods asks, can you put decals on the hull? Yes, I want to have decals on the hull, like for like sprays and team logos. That would be cool. As you can see, it's not implemented yet. There's so many things I have to do. But yeah. Okay. Iron hull to platinum hull. Yes, you can. That's what I mean. Elements. Exactly. You got that right, Searching Man. Is there going to be a space map? Harrison Austin asks. Space map. You have a mini map. That's what this is over here, but there's no space map. I'm not sure if I'm gonna allow custom decals. I'd like to. That would be nice. But then you have the whole problem of, like, you know, moderating the decals. But yeah. Okay, let's fly over here and, like, park the ship and build something. So the ship currently, the physics isn't exactly tweaked as much as I'd like. It does weird things, so just bear that in mind. Yeah, it just, like, sinks. I'm not gonna look at that. But yeah, I'm gonna that bug will be fixed. Don't worry about it. Like, there are more important things to show. There is no giant crater on ground zero in Tyranika. Yes, there is, but the thing is that the nuking happened a long time ago, so the crater got, like, washed out, I guess. But yeah. Shenron Animations, I want to ask something. Go ahead, ask it. Okay, ask. Ghastly Gamer says, when's the release date for this game? Hopefully soon. Hopefully this year, but I can't promise anything. I really love to get it out as fast as possible, but there are just so many bugs to fix. Like, you can see them all over the place. But keep calm and drink a tea. Searching man, yes, I should. I get very nervous, so. Shenron Animations asks, can you make custom ships? I assume you are asking about adding a custom ship, like, you know, a different model, like replacing the Corsaire with some custom ship. At the moment, no. I don't think I will do that, but there will be a process to submit ships at some point so that others can, like, add ships to the game. But, you know, they have to be approved by me and all that, so. And I'm gonna be the only one adding ships, if that's what you're asking. The chat timing isn't perfect. Yes, it's not. But that's not my fault, so. What do you guys think about the spin-up animation? Will there be mods? Fox Squid asks. Probably not, but I have to think about. I think I have to think about that more. The problem is that it's an MMO, so if I allow mods, then how exactly does that work? Does the server get the mods that people put, or what? It's just like, it opens the doors to many problems. So, can you say something in RR chat from the game? Yeah. Let's go back to base. I'm gonna teleport. Okay. And I'm gonna spawn in a ship. Okay, there's another ship. Shimmering Blaze asks, is there going to be a way to make client-side only models? Like someone can install a file to make the Corsair look like something else, but only just to one player. Yes, that is possible. You got to be careful with how you do that, though, I guess, because the problem would be that you would be desynchronized with the server. Like, the server would be seeing something else. So, I mean, if you keep all of the colliders the same and all of the slot positions the same, then yes, that should work. It's probably very hard to do, but maybe I'll release the tools to do it. No promises, though. Anyway, you asked me to send something into the Rival Rebels chat from here. I will do that. Let me park the ship. And, okay. Let me turn up the brightness over here. Okay, this is the thing I use to chat. What should I say? Hello, Rival Rebels chat. There. You should receive that. This is, there we go. Yeah, this needs a lot of work. As you can see, it's placing the messages several times. That's not good. And the chat is only accessible from the ship GUI. I have to fix that. But yeah. The Great and Mighty Spence asks, can you create private servers? No, because I am not releasing the Rival Rebels server application, because that contains code that should not be public. Cosmic Waffle asks, how old is Tyranika? I'm not sure. Very old. Very, very old. Probably not 2.5 million years old, but quite old. It's been 97 years since the nuclear explosion. That's for sure, though. The actual age of the buildings, I'm not sure, but yeah, 97 years ago, there was a big explosion here. Shenron Animations asks me to add fusion grenades. That sounds a little bit overpowered. Probably, maybe, we'll see. Can you make the chat the same as ours? And hi, says Fazine Jagdeo. What do you mean? Which, are you talking about making the Rival Rebels in-game chat the same as the YouTube live stream chat? Or what are you asking? Can you elaborate a little bit, please? It's pretty cool if you can only chat when you're in the ship or some communications center, says Searching Man. Yeah, but like it's also like you have this is the thing that's going to allow you to chat in the game lore. This over here, that's called the Pentacoron, and it's on the arm, and it has like all of the technologies and the display, and it's what drives the suit and all of that. So yes, HV. Sounds a little overpowered. Proceeds to add laser Gatling gun. It's Rival Rebels. Don't judge. TitanCon says, what robots are in this sci-fi? Well, there will be the Rhodes robots, the Rhodes 3. Those will be in here. There's also going to be some big carpet nukers. Those are going to be interesting. You're going to like those. Robots. There's also the Scepters. I haven't shown those yet, but they are like these little flying drone ships that look like the game's logo, and they shoot at you. Searching Man says, never ask for logic in games. I'm trying to make this game as logical as possible. It's like maintaining as much hard science as possible, but then again, you just have to go arcade sometimes. Like, otherwise it's not fun. So it's really a balance between hard science and fun. Shenron Animations says, add a Tsar Bomba. Probably not. I'm not going to do that because that's like associated with historical events, and this is something else. So, okay. Let's blow up this other ship we have over here. Oh yeah, right here you can see some denting. See that scratching over here? That's right here. HV Mod says, as logical as possible. Laser gun shoots bullets. Well, this is not a laser technically. It's actually a plasma gun. But people say laser gun, so I say laser gun, and it's a laser gun, whatever. It's not really laser, but we call it a laser gun. That's how all sci-fi works. Don't question it. Fayazina Jagdeo says, I mean like your chat, not in the game. The chat you're reading are questions. It's backed up. Yes, it's backed up. I can't do anything about that. Fazina Jagdeo again says, is this like a learning game for science? Yes, definitely. You're going to be able to learn science with this game. Or get used to some concepts in science. You're going to be able to design materials, and I'm trying to keep a focus on like the learning aspect as well. So yeah, you could say that. Hakarek Grot says, where it is possible to buy with the one game. Tell please. Where is it possible to buy this game? Well, on my website, but it's not up for sale yet because it's not finished. Maybe HB says, maybe hurry up a little. I have my science finals in 6 weeks. No, you're not going to be able to learn all the science you need for your science finals with this game. That's you have to go to school, HB. Don't think you can get away with just playing my game. Yeah, start studying. I don't know what you're doing. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna spawn in another ship. Okay. Yeah, we need more stuff to blow up. Hey Jonas Kovamis. HB says, maybe add a little crash test dummy for testing. No, we can just use human bodies. It's fine. Shimmering Blaze says, I think the majority of us would rather learn science in your game than in school studying. Great. That's what it's aimed at. Like, I really want to incorporate as many scientific concepts into this as possible. I'm going to have a GUI that has the periodic table of the elements arranged in my own custom way, and you're going to be able to collect elements and design your materials and build your ship out of the materials that you design, and they're going to have different properties like electrical conductivity, thermal resistance, and all that. Strength, density, and, you know, like all the properties of the elements. Yeah. Shenron Animations says, how do you summon a Rodolodon in Minecraft? Like, there's tutorials online. I have a page on my website. Have you tried looking it up? Fazina Jagdeo says, are you in the summer season? I am, and it's hot where I live. No, it's pretty chill over here. I'm in Los Angeles. And yes, I'm in summer season. If Rival Rebels DM the Dark Matter drive doesn't have Tennesine, I'll be mad. What's Tennesine? Is that one of the new elements that's like up in the well, down in the corner of the periodic table? All right, I'm going to be wrapping it up around here now. Yes, I have a website. I'll post the link in chat. That's the website. Yes, Oganesan. Okay. Actually, I was thinking about dropping those last two elements because they're a little bit iffy, you know? Like, you can't really make them, so I don't know. I'll see. Guys, remember to like the video, and remember to subscribe. And subscribe to my second channel too, where I go more in depth with all the technical explanations, and yeah. Oh look, I'm out of battery again. Anyway, this was a great stream. I'm coming to a conclusion earlier than last stream because last stream was the first stream, and everyone wanted more. I wanted more too. So, I'll see you next time, guys. I really like this stream. Good questions. Thanks for all the comments and support. You guys are amazing. I really like streaming. It's always a good experience. I come into it I come into it nervous, but towards the end I chillax, like Toya would say. An astounding amount of 6 atoms of tennessine. Yeah, that's quite a bit actually. All right, let's shoot a little bit more. Let me spawn in another Ein-Sten. It's under all of this junk. Let me see if I can find it. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Okay. It's really hard to get. Okay. Yeah, I can't pick up the weapon. It's covered in junk. I wanted to shoot a little bit more so you guys could see, but I guess not. Well, see you guys. It's been a very good stream. Yeah, great parking skills. Everything's smashed. All right. Yeah, I'd like to shoot, but I'm out of ammunition, so I'll give you this. It's sort of lame, but the only other Ein-Sten is down under over here. Do you see it? That little thing right there? Yeah. So oh, I can shoot the plasma cannon. If I can pick it up. Let me just... Alright guys, goodbye. See ya. See you next time. Remember to